Welcome back to our channel. Magic Coin, the native utility token of the Treasure ecosystem, is steadily positioning itself as a major player in the decentralized gaming and metaverse infrastructure sector. Built on Arbitrum, Magic powers a unique layer of interoperable gaming worlds, NFT economies, and DAO-governed projects. Unlike traditional gaming tokens, Magic isn't tied to a single game. It fuels a network of on-chain games and metaverse assets, connecting users, creators, and investors through a single ecosystem. Magic is trading around 20 cents, with a market cap of just over $63 million, down significantly from its all-time high of over 6.32 during the 2021 bull market. But recent developer activity, DAO proposals, and growing traction on Arbitrum-based gaming dApps suggest that Magic may be gearing up for a comeback. Magic is showing signs of bottoming out after a long consolidation phase. On-chain analytics show an increase in wallet holders, and the staking ratio of Magic has gone up 18% over the past 3 months. This implies growing confidence from long-term holders. The token is also seeing renewed usage in active gaming dApps like Bridgeworld and Smallverse. Magic is once again being used to settle fees, mint NFTs, and reward in-game actions. If the gaming sector gains more visibility in Q4 2025, and Treasure rolls out at least one DAO-governed game or lands a key partnership, Magic could see a price range of $1.20 to $1.75 by the end of 2025. A breakout past $2 is possible if a major SEX listing or liquidity boost from Arbitrum Foundation grants occurs. In the medium term, Magic's price will heavily depend on user growth across the Treasure metaverse. The DAO is currently investing in ecosystem grants, onboarding indie game studios, and developing SDKs that allow any game to integrate Magic as a core asset. This means that by 2026, Magic could become a cross-game asset, usable in multiple titles from fantasy RPGs to strategy and collectible battle games, all sharing one economic layer. The long-term potential for Magic Coin is tied directly to the evolution of Web3 gaming infrastructure and interoperability. If you believe in the future of decentralized gaming, Magic is definitely one to keep on your radar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, for more updates.